This session will cover a series of key topics, including submetering system architecture, selecting the right submeter, selecting the appropriate communications hardware, selecting the right software, and designing a submetering system for multiple dwelling unit applications, commercial spaces, educational and commercial campuses, and industrial and manufacturing facilities. Let's take a quick look at the basic VerifEye Submetering System architecture. Everything begins at the source with the meters and current transformers. A submetering system is primarily about the data from the monitored systems. The VerifEye line features a broad range of meters to fit a wide range of applications. This includes simple pulse meters which can only monitor consumption. There are a range of advanced meters which provide many more data points, which may be useful for monitoring the load balance and overall health of a facility's electrical service. Getting the data out of the meters to an analytics platform may require the use of some intermediate communication devices. Pulse meters typically require some sort of pulse counting interface to convert their pulse output to usable data. In some instances, running wiring between devices in a system may not be feasible, so a wireless transceiver may be utilized in place of hardwired connections. Most VerifEye submetering systems also include an energy monitoring hub, or EMH. The EMH captures and consolidates the data from the meters on a site and acts as a server to deliver the data to the selected software analytics platform. The VerifEye line includes several energy monitoring hub models with different I/O options. While the EMH does make all the data available in CSV file format, it does not provide the reporting tools most users want. Leviton's Building Manager online software platform is our solution to offer a variety of basic and advanced reporting tools, along with a tenant billing solution for users needing to generate invoices for their tenants. BMO provides the necessary reporting tools to meet energy code compliance. It also offers some advanced reporting features to make an energy manager's job easier. The tenant billing module can be an easy option for property owners who want to manage their own tenant billing. Let's take a deeper dive into designing a submetering system for some of the more common applications. VerifEye delivers a comprehensive line of leading-edge submeters, which form the foundation of a facility's complete submetering system. In order to select the appropriate submeter for your unique application, it is important to keep specific project parameters and goals in mind. What is the size of the facility? How is the facility used? What are the measurement and verification needs of the end user and building manager? Following the specific application and end user needs of the space guides the selection of a submeter and the additional system components like communication devices, energy monitoring hubs, and software. Let's review some of the key considerations for selecting the right submeter. There are a number of critical questions to answer to determine the appropriate meter for an application. First, which meter series is the best fit for the application? What electrical service is being monitored? Is it a standard Y configuration, which may be a single-pole, two-pole, or three-pole load with a neutral? Or is it a delta configuration with no neutral? What metering data is required? Does it require consumption only with just a kWh reading, or is a full data set of advanced metrology data points needed? Are there any special requirements for the meter's communication protocol? Will a simple pulse meter be sufficient, or would a Modbus or BACnet meter be a better fit? Will the site allow for running wire between devices, or will it necessitate using wireless communications between devices? How many circuits need to be monitored? Is it a single circuit, or are there multiple circuits in the panel which must be metered? Once you've determined which family of meters is the best fit, a specific model must be selected. There are additional considerations which will guide the selection. 1. Where is the meter going to be installed? Is this an indoor or outdoor application? Are there other environmental considerations requiring either an extended temperature range or a sealed enclosure for protection? 2. What is the voltage being monitored? Many meters will accommodate a range of voltages and can automatically sense the input, but others are voltage specific and must be matched to the circuit being monitored. If the electrical service does not have a neutral connection, it is critical that the meter can support a delta configuration with no neutral. 3. Selecting the appropriate CT size is also important. The CT must be rated for at least as much as the current rating for the circuit they are attached to. When selecting a meter kit, in addition to the current rating, there may also be options for the CT type. Split-core CTs work well for retrofit applications where being able to open the CT for mounting is a benefit. Solid-core CTs tend to be more accurate and less expensive, but they require the conductor to be run through the center for installation. For high amperage circuits, 800 amps or more, the Rogowski CT will be much easier to work with than a comparable amperage split-core CT. 4. Consider the layout of the metered circuits in a panel. In some instances, a single metering point like the panel mains may be sufficient. With many applications, it may be necessary to meter several individual circuits within a panel. In these cases, a multi-circuit meter may be a better fit. This table provides a quick reference to help select which meter families are compatible with the various electrical service options. The simple pulse meters like the mini meter and Series 1000 or 2000 are factory programmed for a specific voltage and current rating, so they are limited to the specific range specified. Other advanced meters like the Series 4000, 6000, 7000, and 8000 are compatible with a broad range of electrical service types. Let's take a look at when the various meter families are used and the typical applications where they fit best. The Series 1000 pulse meters are single-phase meters, which provide simple kilowatt-hour consumption data. We offer these meters in configurations up to 8,000 amps. In addition to 120 volts, the Series 1000 also includes 240 and 277 volt models. Because these are pulse meters, they are typically connected to a high-density pulse module to convert the pulse data output to a Modbus data stream. The HD Pulse module then pushes the meter data to the Energy Monitoring Hub, which consolidates the data from a whole group of meters and sends it on to the Building Manager online software platform. These are great choices for commercial and industrial tenant billing and code compliance jobs where basic consumption data is all that is required. They are quick and easy to install since they are factory programmed and require no field configuration. In similar fashion, the Series 2000 meters are the commercial and industrial pulse meter option. The Series 2000 pulse meters are three-phase meters which provide simple kilowatt-hour consumption data. These meters come in configurations up to 1200 amps and support 208 and 480 volt Y service types. Like the Series 1000 meters, these are pulse meters. They are typically connected to a high-density pulse module to convert the pulse output data to a Modbus data stream. The HD Pulse module then pushes the meter data from the Energy Monitoring Hub, which consolidates the data from a whole group of meters and sends it on to the Building Manager online software platform. These two can be a great choice for commercial and industrial tenant billing and code-compliant jobs, where basic communication data is all that's required. They are typically sold as a kit with the meter and matching CTs, making them quick and easy to install, and they require no field configuration. In smaller applications with 8 pulse meters or less, the A8812 Energy Monitoring Hub may be used to eliminate the need for a high-density pulse module. The EMHSP has 4 pulse inputs, and the A8812 features 8 pulse inputs, which will accommodate pulse meters to be directly connected. Leviton Series 4000 meters are a single 3-phase meter frequently selected for industrial and commercial applications. These meters feature full data set points which can be valuable to users needing more than simple kWh data. While the Series 4000 is field programmable, Leviton offers a variety of pre-configured meter kits which can simplify installation and setup. Like all our meters, the Series 4000 models are typically connected to an Energy Monitoring Hub which gathers all the meter data from a site and pushes it to a software platform like Building Manager Online. The Series 7000 meters are a full-featured meter with the flexibility to fit most submetering applications. They are 3-phase meters which are compatible with all the typical electrical services from 120 volts to 600 volts and will support both Y and delta configurations. The dataset is extensive and will support the most demanding monitoring requirements. With their support for both Modbus and BACnet protocols over either RS-485 or Ethernet, the Series 7000 meters work well in sophisticated applications where they may be integrated with automation systems. The flexibility allows them to work in a broad range of applications including simple energy management, code compliance, tenant billing, and more advanced industrial power monitoring. The multi-circuit models in the Series 7000 family provide great options for higher density metering applications. These models include the same communication protocol support and extensive data set, so they can be used in most submetering applications. They connect to our energy monitoring hubs and Building Manager online, like our other meters, so the system architecture is the same. The Series 7000 family is widely used for tenant billing and code compliance applications where multiple circuits and a power distribution panel need to be monitored. These can be residential, commercial, or industrial. They are also offered in NEMA 4X enclosures for harsh environments. The mini-meter is a standard for the residential market and comes in several enclosure configurations for these applications. This example shows the indoor flush mount enclosure, but there are wall mount and NEMA 4X enclosure options as well. In this case, we are featuring the model with an integrated wireless transmitter, which is part of the wireless automated meter reading system. Each meter's transmitter communicates with surrounding units and the wireless repeater to form a mesh network within a facility. All the devices communicate with the data concentration access point, which acts as the hub to consolidate the data and send it to the billing software platform like Building Manager Online. This system is ideal for retrofit installations and situations where placing the meters in each suite is the best or only approach. In many cases, connecting all the devices in a submetering system may require a variety of other communication devices. In this section, we will consider how to select the right communications hardware. As you select the appropriate communication hardware for your unique application, it is important to keep specific project parameters in mind. What are the measurement and verification needs of the end user and building manager? Where are the various meters and other system devices located? Are they in close proximity or scattered on different floors or in separate buildings on a campus? Can all devices be hardwired or will wireless connections be needed? If wireless connectivity is needed, are there clear line of sight routes between devices or will there be obstructions to be avoided? What communication protocols will be used for devices to communicate? As we discussed earlier, pulse meters require some sort of pulse counting device to convert the pulse outputs to a usable kWh data stream. In most Leviton systems, this is done using the high-density pulse module, which will accommodate the inputs from up to 23 individual pulse meters. In smaller systems, this could be done using an energy monitoring hub with pulse inputs, like the A8812 or EMHSP. The majority of Leviton submetering systems are still connected using a Modbus RTU network, which uses an RS-485 daisy chain. As illustrated here, each of the devices connects to the next, leading back to the energy monitoring hub at the end. This is a tried-and-true method for creating a submetering network. Advanced meters like the Series 7000 family, which have an Ethernet connection, can be connected directly to an Ethernet network and integrated with an energy monitoring hub or directly integrated into the BMS. Leviton recommends using an EMH to consolidate the data to a single device to simplify the BMS integration, allowing all the BACnet objects to be available from the EMH instead of needing to integrate every individual meter. Utilizing the Ethernet infrastructure can make integrating devices over a large area or in multiple buildings much easier. In applications where a wired network is not feasible, the ModHopper wireless transceiver can be a great solution. ModHoppers create a mesh network which creates a very robust wireless connection between devices. These transceivers can be located around a facility with one or more meters attached, allowing remote devices to communicate effectively back to the energy monitoring hub. The ModHopper's 1-watt 900 MHz radio is powerful enough to penetrate most building materials effectively, providing several hundred feet of range between devices. In open, clear line of sight, these units can reach several miles, making them an ideal option for remote devices. As discussed earlier, the mini-meter with an integrated wireless transmitter can be a great option for high-density residential applications. Avoiding the cost of wiring, particularly in retrofit applications, can be significant. Each meter's transmitter communicates with surrounding units and the wireless repeater to form a mesh network within a facility. All the devices communicate with the data concentration access point, which acts as the hub to consolidate the data and send it to the billing software platform, like Building Manager Online. As illustrated here, these wireless transceivers are compatible with most pulse meters, including gas and water meters, so the data from these other third-party meters may also be captured for billing purposes. This system is ideal for retrofit installations where the meters need to be installed in each suite. Submetering is all about the data, so selecting the right software is a very important consideration with any submetering system. As you select the appropriate software for your application, it is important to keep specific project parameters and goals in mind. What sort of data do you need? Basic consumption data is generally all that is required for code compliance or tenant billing. Other parameters may be important for real energy management or power quality metering. How much data storage will be needed and where will it be kept? Most energy codes require 15-minute interval data to be kept for at least 36 months. Billing data may need to be kept longer. Will it be stored on the cloud or backed up on local servers? Who will be using the software and who will be responsible for managing ongoing reporting? Leviton's energy management software option is our Building Manager Online cloud-based solution. There are 3 primary options for the annual licenses. The base module provides the primary data capture and storage features, along with dashboards and a consumption report. This provides the key elements needed for code compliance and general energy management and has been the most popular option. The advanced reporting module builds on the features of the base module, adding some more advanced energy management reporting, like heat maps and a public kiosk display option. In addition, there are custom report design options to enable the user to design their own custom layouts and content. The tenant billing module provides a complete invoicing system for tenant billing. For users wanting to manage their own tenant billing function, this can be an attractive option. This module allows the user to generate tenant invoices which can be printed and mailed or emailed. All of the basic and advanced reporting features are also included, so in addition to the pre-configured billing reports, there are lots of more advanced reporting options available. Let's review some of the key aspects of designing a submetering system for MDUs. Leviton is your single source for a complete tenant metering solution specifically suited to high-density applications. A solution built around the Series 7000 is especially cost-effective for new construction due to its capacity and flexibility. The Series 7000 submeter is easy to install and wire and allows complete flexibility to fit any project design and is configured for any type of electrical service. There are a variety of advantages to the Leviton Series 7000 solution: minimal wall space and reduced construction costs. Interface for water, gas, BTU, etc. meters into a single system. Leviton factory technicians provide system startup, programming, and training services. Open architecture provides flexibility to use your choice of third-party billing providers or the BMO tenant billing module. Use the A8911 HD Pulse module for pulse, gas, and water meter data capture. Use Series 7000 meters at the panel to meter the main circuit for each individual apartment or unit. Use one of the energy monitoring hubs like A8812 or A8810 to consolidate the data from all the meters. Push the data to VerifEye's BMO tenant billing module or a third-party billing software solution. Leviton also offers a complete wireless tenant metering solution, which is ideally suited to multi-tenant applications. A solution built around the mini-meter is especially cost-effective for new construction, using wireless transmitters instead of hardwired meters. The flush mount or surface mount mini-meter is easy to install in each unit. These mini-meter systems offer a number of advantages. It is easy to retrofit with this robust wireless system. The meter offers a small footprint with flush mount or surface mount enclosures. The wireless transceivers support easy integration of water and gas meters into a single system. Leviton factory technicians provide system startup, programming, and training services. Open architecture provides flexibility to use your choice of a third-party billing company or the VerifEye BMO tenant billing module. These systems use mini-meters with wireless AMR installed in each individual apartment or unit. The same wireless MDT works with pulse, gas, and water meters to capture their data. Use wireless repeaters as needed to build a solid mesh network. Use the wireless decap to consolidate the wireless data from each unit. The DCAP will push the data to VerifEye BMO Tenant Billing Module, a third-party billing software solution, or users can download the CSV file direct from the hub. Now let's review the requirements for typical commercial submetering spaces. Whether for a small two-story office building, a sprawling commercial office complex, or a new mixed-use facility, Leviton has the right combination of components and expertise to deliver the optimal solution. Redirect accountability for energy usage to tenants and streamline accounting operations with the Leviton Submetering Solution. Precise monitoring of tenant utilities and major building systems can identify opportunities for substantial cost savings. Why use Leviton Submetering Solutions? They are easy to install, saving time and labor costs. Leviton offers a complete cost-effective system solution. The systems provide universal energy information with open protocol and interface. Easy access with web browser-based access to data and reporting with VerifEye BMO software solutions. Compatibility with a range of third-party billing software solutions. Use the Series 7000 meters at the panel for high-density panel metering, which is highly configurable for many load types. Use Series 2000 pulse meters for isolated three-phase loads with HD pulse modules to capture data from the Series 2000 and gas and water meters. Use the A8810 hub to consolidate the data from the meters and HD pulse modules. Push the data to VerifEye's Building Manager online, third-party billing software solutions, or download the CSV file direct from the hub. Use the BACnet interface with the A8810 hub to share data with the BMS system. Leviton VerifEye Submetering features a range of devices that incorporate standard protocols, wireless options, and split-core CT technologies, making retrofits relatively easy and inexpensive. These systems provide accurate tenant billing of electric, water, gas, and common utility usage to redirect accountability for energy usage to tenants and streamline accounting operations. Precise monitoring of utilities and major building systems can help identify opportunities for substantial cost savings. Leviton's submetering systems offer the following advantages. They are easy to install, saving time and labor costs. Leviton offers complete, cost-effective system solutions. The ModHopper wireless transceivers make retrofits easy by eliminating the need for RS-485 wiring where running wire isn't feasible. Web browser-based access to data and reporting with VerifEye BMO software modules. Open protocols provide compatibility with third-party billing software solutions. Use Series 7000 meters at the panel for high-density panel metering, which is highly configurable for a variety of load types. Use Series 2000 pulse meters for isolated three-phase loads. Use HD pulse modules A8911 to capture data from Series 2000, gas, and water meters. Use ModHopper wireless transceivers for retrofit applications where running RS-485 wiring is problematic. Use the A8810 hub to consolidate the data from the meters and HD pulse modules. Push the data to VerifEye BMO, third-party billing software solution, or download the CSV file direct from the hub. Utilize the BACnet interface with the A8810 hub to share data with the BMS system. Designing a submetering system for educational or professional campus applications brings a different set of challenges. Modern facilities are increasingly reliant on technology. Computers at every desk and sophisticated AV equipment in every room all consume energy. VerifEye systems allow energy submetering from the whole building down to the individual branch circuits on a single campus-wide platform. Energy data is shared with energy management software, automation systems, energy dashboards, energy service companies, and the like. Why choose Leviton for submetering? Systems are easy to install, saving time and labor costs. Leviton offers a full line of products providing cost-effective system solutions which are highly scalable. Clear visibility into downstream energy data facilitates departmental cost allocation and aids in forecasting future energy needs. Open system architecture enables compatibility with VerifEye BMO, a variety of third-party software platforms, energy management, and building automation systems. Use the Series 7000 meters at the panel for high-density panel metering for a variety of different load types. Use Series 7000 3-input meters for isolated three-phase loads. Utilize the existing Cat5, Cat6 Ethernet backbone for system communication. Use an energy monitoring hub like the EMHXD or A8812 to consolidate the data from the meters. Push the data to VerifEye BMO third-party reporting and billing software, or download the CSV file direct from the hub. Use the BACnet interface to share data with the BMS system. Industrial and manufacturing operations may call for more advanced submetering solutions, as they are frequently interested in monitoring power quality and system performance parameters. It takes a tremendous amount of energy to run manufacturing process equipment, lighting, and HVAC systems within a typical plant. Factories and industrial facilities can achieve significant cost savings by improving equipment performance by load shifting and eliminating wasteful consumption. In addition, accurate allocation of utility costs made possible through submetering can enhance management of per-unit production costs. Energy monitoring data can facilitate a robust energy management and improvement plan that, if utilized properly, will provide significant savings opportunities. The Leviton solutions offer a number of advantages. The breadth of products offer cost-effective system solutions. With a variety of meters to select from, these systems are highly scalable. They are easy to install, saving time and labor costs. Providing clear visibility into downstream data facilitates departmental costs, allocations, and aids in forecasting future energy needs. Open protocol hardware systems are compatible with Building Manager Online software, third-party software, and typical automation platforms. Leviton recommends Series 7000 meters for industrial loads because they are highly configurable for a variety of load types and support Modbus or Ethernet connections for remote meters. In campus applications, utilizing an existing Cat5/6 Ethernet backbone for system communication can be a real time saver. An energy monitoring hub is used to consolidate the data from the meters and push the data to BMO, a third-party billing software, or the data may be downloaded directly from the hub in CSV format. Energy data may also be shared with an automation system using the BACnet interface. Thank you for your time and interest in learning more about Leviton's submetering products. We trust you found this information useful. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any feedback or questions. For more information, visit leviton.com/verify.